Hello, in this section we will enter adjusting entries, create the financial statements, enter closing entries and reversing entries into both QuickBooks as well as Excel. QuickBooks showing us how to enter this information into an accounting system. Excel giving us more transparent information in terms of how that data is going to be put together, how it links to the system, and how it's used to create the financial statements. The adjusting entries are what are going to be used to put us more on an accrual basis at the end of the time period. The financial statements, and those are the end result. Those are the reports that we are making, the financial statements that we are creating through the data input process. QuickBooks will generate those financial statements automatically if we input the data properly, and Excel will give us an idea of how QuickBooks is putting that information together by showing us a more transparent look to put those financial statements together. We'll then take a look at the closing process to set up for the next time period, and we'll talk about what reversing entries are, how to use them, and when to use them. We will show this information typically first in QuickBooks, and then we'll enter the data into Excel and compare and contrast the two processes. The Excel data can be downloaded in terms of the worksheets so that you can then work through those worksheets with the problem. The QuickBooks format will typically have a PDF file included, which is optional, which can be used to help enter that data. And we'll have an optional backup file that can be used to jump forward to a particular point in time, or if we want to rework some problems at a prior point in time, we can download the backup, then restore the backup, and then work the problem from the point of that restored data.